Greetings everyone, Eric here and welcome back to another video. In this one we're going to be taking a look at a new pen display tablet from Veikk. Right, so today we're taking a look at this right here. This is the VK, I think 1200? Yeah, the VK 1200 from Veikk. It is a 12-inch display tablet, so it actually has a screen on it, and you plug this into your computer through HDMI and USB, and it allows you to draw directly on your computer as if you're drawing on paper. So yeah, this is really interesting. It's a very small tablet, as you saw by the box. The box is definitely bigger than the actual tablet itself. I don't even know. Let's see. Does it have product dimensions on the back? Yeah. Okay, so the dimensions are, oh great, it's in millimeters, 318 by 289 by 12. So that means it's 12 mils thick. It is very thin. But before I go any further into talking about stuff, I did film me unboxing this thing, so I'm just going to do kind of like a little speed through of it, and then I'll like voice over it, and then I'll come back and just talk a little bit more. So, unbox! Alright, and in this unboxing you can see the box itself is quite lovely. A very nice, simple, sleek design that would look really good on the shelves of most stores. Opening it up, you can see that it's got a nice protection. Right away we see another glove. I have so many gloves, but hey, it's good to have. Keeps your oils off of the screen, so comes in handy. Just underneath the cardboard, after I put the tablet away, we have our lovely stuff inside, including 2 of the wonderful pens, so if in case you lose one or one breaks, you have a spare. The pen itself is really nice, it fits really well in the hand, and the buttons are very satisfying to click. Next up, you have a cleaning thingy. It's basically a microfiber, and it's used to keep the screen nice and clean. Also, make sure you hand wash this, don't put it in the washer. Up next, we have, of course, the thingy that you put the pen nibs in, and also you can put the pen in once you put the top on, like so. And on the back, it shows you how to undo a nib. Next, we have the cables. The cables consist of the HDMI to micro HDMI, and the USB, which does both power and data. And then the last few things we have are, of course, the guide, the download drivers here thing, and then a crap ton more nibs. And now we get to the lovely tablet, which is nicely protected, but let's take this off. And inside we have a gorgeous design. I absolutely love this design. It's super lightweight, it's super thin, but it feels nice and sturdy, so it doesn't feel like it's gonna break real easy. The screen is so nice. And yeah, it's very lightweight. The buttons are very satisfying to click. And it's got a little Veikk thing right there, which is nice, but yes, lovely buttons. And then of course, here are your inputs on the side. So you have your Type-C USB, you have your HDMI, and then of course you have the buttons for controls. All around a very, very, very lovely tablet, and I love its design ever so much. Okay, so that was the unboxing. Yeah, this tablet is very interesting. Also, sorry about the camera issues and stuff. I am very terrible with lighting and figuring out how to make cameras look good. That's why I usually don't film on camera anymore. I usually just have a cartoon of me up, but I don't know. Today I just felt like throwing the camera up, so I hope it looks okay. But yeah, this tablet is very interesting. It's very easy to use, very simple, basic kind of stuff, but it works really well. So what I did was I actually sat and filmed myself drawing with it a little bit. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you first footage of me kind of doing my basic ruler test, and that means I'm going to go drawing with a ruler across at an angle very, very slowly. And that'll show you how much jitter there is in the actual pen to screen technology. Generally there's always going to be a little bit, especially because your hand, but you should be able to, because there's a ruler, it should create a nice smooth line depending on what type of pen you're using, like the actual brush tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that. I'm going to make sure I use some settings that are very interesting, and then I'll show you guys that footage. And then yeah, I'll come back with some final thoughts of what I think of this thing. All right, so here is me doing the ruler test. So I'm going to draw 2 lines here with a ruler. I'm doing this very slowly across at an angle. Now what this will do is it'll show you any jitter that might show up in the pen due to the software rather than just your hand. And the ruler helps because it keeps the line very straight. So there I technically had stabilization on that first one. So on the second one, I turned stabilization completely off. That way, if there was any jitter, it wouldn't be stabilized. But obviously most software will stabilize for you. But as you can see here, the lines look really good. Like even the unstabilized one looks super clean. I would have no issues with that whatsoever. It works perfectly fine. And then here what I wanted to do is just show you, if you guys are caring about parallaxing and stuff like that and lag, here's just a little bit of footage of me just doodling some lines. Sorry the camera's all shaky, it was getting bumped. But yeah, I'm just kind of doodling some lines so you can see that there's not much lag at all. And the parallaxing is super small. Like honestly, most of what you're seeing here isn't even parallaxing. It's actually just me not calibrating properly. I needed to recalibrate a couple times because sometimes it takes a minute to get it like calibrated perfectly. But yeah, it's pretty much spot on to what I would want. Okay, so sorry I didn't have a lot of footage of me drawing with it. The footage that I had originally gotten of me drawing actually got corrupted, other than the footage of me talking while drawing. So what I want to do is, if you guys really want to see me draw something specific, like an actual full-fledged drawing, please leave a comment below on what you would like to see me draw, and I will try to get something done, hopefully by Friday, but if not, then the following week. So leave a comment below on what you would like to see me draw with this tablet. But yeah, that's all I really gotta say is, like, this is a really nice little tablet. I love this design. I think I even said in like the little me drawing and talking is that I really hope that they make larger versions of this. I really hope that they make a 16-inch model, maybe a 20 or 20 to 24 inch, like somewhere in that range as well, of this design, because I really love the design. It is really nice. It's really sleek. Obviously, it would have to be a little bit thicker if they made it in a 16 or a 20 plus inch model. But if they can keep the design very sleek with the same pen feel, with the same anti-glare on it, all that stuff, and they can keep the buttons, like obviously add more buttons when they go to the bigger size, because that's the one thing I wish it had, was more buttons. But at this size, it's really hard to fit them. These buttons are really satisfying to click. So if they can use that same button technology, exact same design, but give you maybe a couple more buttons on a bigger tablet, it would be amazing. I would love to try a 16-inch or more model of this type of tablet. So yeah, like I said, sorry I didn't have a full-fledged drawing. Again, leave a comment below on what you would like to see me draw. As well, while you're down, let me know what you think of this tablet. If you've used it, let me know your thoughts and your experience. And if you haven't used it, let me know what you think just based on this. Check out some other reviews. I'm sure there's going to be more reviews up, if not already, of this tablet. Check out more reviews and see if you really like this and see if it's for you. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you'd like to see more of my content. Hit that like button so that the algorithm will, share my videos to people and help me out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.